Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to unmute a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC, following the latest update. If you've muted a conversation and want to start receiving notifications again, don't worry. It's a quick and simple process. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, take a moment to locate the chat that's currently muted. Muted chats are usually marked with a small mute icon next to them, making them easy to identify. Next, right-click on the muted chat. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Mute. Hover over it, and you'll see an additional option pop up, Unmute. Click on Unmute, and just like that, notifications for this chat will be restored. It's as simple as that. You can now receive alerts for new messages from this contact or group without any interruptions. This process works seamlessly across individual and group chats, so you're covered no matter what type of conversation you're managing. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might need a quick tutorial on unmuting chats in WhatsApp. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. See you in the next video.